Among the 240 million population in Pakistan, 60% of this population comprises of youth. And this younger generation as a manpower contributes to the well-being, to the production and to the economic growth of this country in every regard. Do you know that the international remittances sent out, to the Pakistan from other countries, from various countries, whether from Europe, United States of America, or Central Asian or Gulf countries, contribute to the economic growth of Pakistan to a greater extent. If we talk about January 2026, so far $3.46 billion has been sent in the form of international remittances to Pakistan only for the month January 2026. If we talk about the fiscal year, which starts from 1st of July and the 30th of June, the eventual year, the fiscal year of 2026, which started from 1st July and now it has been 7 months, around 15.4% of surge has been observed, and $23.2 billion in the form of international remittances has been clocked in so far, which is even a surge from 20.9 billion US dollars from the fiscal year 2025. According to the top line securities in this regard, the huge exportation of manpower to the various parts and countries of the world on one hand, the lower differential value between formal and informal value or stock exchanges on the other hand, and finally the engagement with the financial institutions to boost the Pakistani remittances internationally has become the main contributing factor for this enormous surge in the Pakistan remittances, particularly in the fiscal year 2026 and more specifically of January 2026. Let's break down the amount of remittances coming from various parts of the world or countries of the world to Pakistan. As of year 2026 so far, Saudi Arabia has sent 740 million US dollars in the form of international remittances to Pakistan, and which is a 2% surge than the fiscal year before. If we talk about the United Arab Emirates sent international remittances, or Pakistani people overseas in the UAE sent international remittances around 694 million US dollars, which was a 12% surge or increase from the preceding fiscal years. If we talk about United Kingdom, a dramatic surge has been observed around 29% from the preceding fiscal year, and around 592 US million dollars have been sent. And if we talk about the European Union countries, around 480 million US dollars Pakistan has received from these countries in the form of international remittances from the Pakistanis overseas. And another dramatic shift or change or surge has been increased from the international remittances coming from European Union countries. That was 36% in number. The securities and the authorities in this regard are saying that this is the projection that we are going to close this fiscal year of 2026 41 billion US dollars, as the fiscal year 2025 was closed at 38 billion US dollars.